How to use onions to support diabetes. Onions are one of the vegetables rich in nutrients, help lower blood sugar, good for people with diabetes. 1. Nutritional composition of onions. According to modern medical research, 100 g of fresh onions contain calories, 40 water, 89% protein, 1.1 grams carbs, 9.3 grams sugar, 4.2 grams fiber, 1.7 grams fat, 0.1 grams compounds S-methylcysteine, flavonoids, and quercetin. 2. Uses of onions. According to Oriental medicine, onions have a sweet and spicy taste, are neutral, and are non-toxic. They enter the 3 meridians of the liver, spleen, and heart. Has the function of strengthening the spleen and stomach, strengthening digestion, eliminating phlegm, removing phlegm, detoxifying, activating blood circulation, stopping bleeding, treating coronary heart disease, diabetes, phlegm-filled wind, poor appetite, diarrhea-like enteritis, lesions, ulcers, vaginitis in women. The results of modern pharmacological research show that onions have the effect of lowering blood lipids, enhancing fibrinolysin activity, preventing platelet aggregation, fighting cancer, and lowering blood sugar. In addition, onions also have the effect of dispersing blood stasis, can treat and prevent atherosclerosis, good for people with coronary heart disease, and also have the effect of reducing fat. Regarding the effect of lowering blood sugar, onions contain compounds that stimulate the synthesis and release of insulin in the pancreas, lowering blood sugar levels. Clinical observations show that onion extract has the effect of lowering blood sugar in both cases of hyperglycemia caused by alloxin and adrenal gland. In general, whether eaten raw or cooked, onions have a good therapeutic effect on people with diabetes. 3. How to use onions well for people with diabetes. Fried onions. 500 g onions, fried and eaten. Effect: warming the middle, lowering gas, reducing thirst to support diabetes treatment. Chinese medicine and health supplements collection. Blanched onions. 1 onion, 200 g, wash, blanch in boiling water, remove and drain, add seasoning to taste. Divide into 2 meals a day. Effect: alleviate pathological symptoms in diabetes. Pureed onions. 1 onion, 200 g, wash, chop, puree, filter the juice, drink like tea every day. Effects: reduce glucose and fat, increase insulin secretion, stimulate antioxidant enzyme activity. 4. Other effects: prevent winter flu and intestinal diseases in summer. 1 onion, cut into small pieces, boil, squeeze to get juice to drink, or use onions to cook dishes during the day. Treat high blood pressure, coronary heart disease. Use onions as above to lower blood sugar, treat diabetes. Regularly cook dishes with onions. Treat bone and joint pain. 150 g onion, 1 to 2 pairs of chicken feet. 20 g fresh ginger. Stew until cooked and eat. To enhance the effect, you can soak onions in alcohol, apply the alcohol to the sore spot, and apply it to the painful area. Treat dysentery. 1 onion, 60 g rice, sugar to taste, cook porridge to eat. Treat insomnia. 1 onion. Use a knife to cut it in half or into 4 pieces. Place it next to the pillow.